Hello everyone, I'm Kathi Kellenberger, and I'll be presenting a very important topic at this SQL Saturday, Indexing for Beginners. If you don't understand how indexes work, they might seem like magic. But it's not magic at all. It'll all make sense if you attend my session. Over the years, I've worked with many shops who saw performance issues in their applications, and typically, poor indexing has been a critical factor. To give you an idea about the power of indexes, I have a simulation here to show you. I call this Find the Number game. I'll let the computer come up with a number, and then I'll try to find it in an unorganized table of 1,000 unique numbers or in an index. In this example, I've got a heap. It's a completely unorganized list of integers, 1 to 1,000, and this script is going to come up with a random number and then see how many numbers it has to look through to find the number. So if I run this, I get 571 is my first number, and it had to look through 399 numbers to find it. If I run this again, I've got the number's 929, and it looked through 467 numbers to find it. I'm going to switch to my index example, and this one we're going to make it a little bit harder. We've got 10,000 numbers instead of 1,000, and this is very similar. We're going to come up with a number and then try to find it in the list. This is actually not a real table, it's just a binary search, but it's somewhat similar to how SQL looks for values. So let's run it and see what happens. The number is 2,404 and it found it in 13 guesses. That's pretty quick. Let's see if that was unusual or if that's what to be expected. Now it found the number in 11 guesses. That's really good. Let's make it a little bit more difficult, add a couple of zeros here and make this 1,000,000. Now when I run it, it found this pretty big number, over 400,000, in just 18 guesses. Let's try that again. This number it found in 19 guesses. And here's one it found in 20. For those of you who probably understand how this works, it's actually the log of to the base 2. It divides the problem in half and keeps dividing it in half until it finds the number. This is not exactly how SQL Server works, but it kind of shows you the power of how to find something when the data is organized. So that's all I have to show you today, but I really look forward to seeing you at the SQL Saturday where you can learn more about indexes.